What issues do you anticipate happening?
None.
Kyle Bambrick with the install crew. I've been with Any Hour for almost 5 years in their install department. So we're doing a full system of this house today.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm Kyle.
That's the furnace.
All right, so down here, we'll get this beast out of here. All this fun green around here, it's just corroded everything. Nothing to hold on the bottom. I'm hiding.
We have a lot of fun at work.
We got guys that measure, we got guys that trace, and it really doesn't matter which way you do it as long as it looks good in the end. Lovely handmade custom metal here. Get all that nice and sealed up so that we don't have to have any air leaks. Shut the gas off and get all the connections going.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I like to put little tabs of tape on it so it's easier to get out. Okay, Lou, we're ready. We got the new furnace here. We got the new drain right here. And what that does is just take all the condensation out of here and just brings it down to the floor drains. That way it goes out of the house. Gas is all updated to code the way it needs to be here, from the shut off, sediment trap and flex. Signature, that's just saying that you're good with everything.
Oh, I appreciate you guys.
All that
Thank
fun.
you so much.
You're very welcome. It was a pleasure meeting you, and you enjoy.
Thank you.
So I just finished up at Lou's house. We did a full system for her. She's super happy with everything. Yes, the dumpster's on full. Well, thanks for riding along with me today. It's the day in the life of me, Kyle, the installer. All done. I'm going home now. Have fun.
You're leaving me here?
Yep.